Hello YouTubers, today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the iPhone 12 Pro here. This one is just shipped here. This is not my phone personally, but one of my friends I'm doing an unboxing for. So I figured I'd do an unboxing. I'm not ordering it myself. Maybe the Max Pro in the future. But there we go. We got that iPhone 11 or an iPhone 12 Pro. Now, no way. They got this stuck to the box. All right. Different shipping from normal. Hopefully we can free it. Very heavy, I must say. Now the design on it, less case, less box. Why are they doing this? To save money for shipping purposes. But I gotta say, it's kind of heavy. I want to say it's more heavier than this right here. Love them. So we're gonna do an unboxing here. We're gonna break this seal. And we're gonna unbox it now. Wow, that's a first. So the first time they're doing the phone the opposite direction here, as you can see. And they got the indent cut out right here. Now this is the blue version, which I would choose because the blue version is awesome. Blue is always awesome. Now we get the accessories. We got the obviously lightning cable, which they included in the box luckily, but they didn't include the power brick. I don't know why you couldn't include a power brick that's cheap to manufacture, but they want to decide to not do it because of saving the environment. But they probably couldn't give you the same price break with that adapter in it. Now I don't know what this is. Just a little card, SIM card removal tool right here in the box. Where's the headphones? Do we get any headphones with this or anything, or earpods? Nothing. Really? Wow. Nothing. We don't get nothing else in the packaging besides your charger port and your SIM card, which you can use a paper clip or something like that. It doesn't make no sense, but come on, really? Where's your stickers? Do they have stickers in this? They do. They have one sticker in here. You guys can get a sticker now with the iPhone 12 and the 12 Pro. But really, the cable, let's look at the cable real quick. Alright, so I noticed this right off the bat with the cable that they're giving now is not gold tipped. So normally when you get an iPhone charger, it's gold tipped, it's gold plated with the tips. So very good charging connection, everything like that. Now they got silver tip, so they downgraded on that. Not a good call, because gold is the best conductive material. So we got the iPhone 12 here. First thoughts, pretty sexy on the sides. Wow, I do like the edges, I got to say that. And they made it white. They made silent button here, a volume plus and minus and power. Pretty crazy if you ask me. Why would they do that instead of the clear coating like they always do? Man, this is pretty nice phone. Looks just like my iPhone 11 Max Pro. There's a difference of the width comparison. A little bigger, obviously. Now we're gonna. You got this kind of like stainless steel dark color, which is nice. You got the SIM tray there, SIM tray there. Wait, no, power button here and SIM tray there. Wow. Question is, how do you pop out the SIM tray? You push on it? That's pretty interesting. Gotta check that out. So here we're gonna go. Or power the baby up. There we go, it's powering up. I mean, how you hold it in the hand, it feels kind of good. You got more grip on it now instead of being rounded. The screen, I could tell it's popping with colors right now. Way brighter than the iPhone 11 Max Pro. Wow, different interface. I guess that's iOS 14. I'm gonna set it up real quick. We're just gonna. I guess I'm gonna have to connect to a network. Let me do a hotspot here. Well, I could say there's a big difference with the keyboard. Big difference with the keyboard. The typing and everything seems a lot more responsive. So we're waiting for activation here. Alright, set up later. Don't use password. Don't transfer app data. We're gonna skip this for now. Now it gives us a different option now, you can see. Don't use. Of course, set up later. Set up later. Of course, we don't want to share our data with Apple, right? You gotta go dark mode. Go dark or go home. Now we got zoom standard. Now, welcome to your iPhone 11, 12. Different wallpaper. Don't allow location. Continue. So it must be still in beta stages with the zoom and stuff. But we zoom out on this. It's the same zoom as the iPhone 11 Max Pro. The 11 Max Pro had 2x zoom, so we're gonna do a little side angle of this. Just look at it. And the blue really pops. I like the color of it, but the stainless steel bezel is awesome on the sides. And how you have the display here. It's kind of somewhat to the edges here. But how it's whole flat surface here. Nice. There's the SIM card, if you're wanting to know. It's not on the other side. I don't know what this dead spot is. Like a sensor or something. I really don't know. Special antenna. Which is crazy. That's a 5G antenna maybe. Really don't know unless you disassemble the phone. But I gotta say, it's pretty nice. Now, Apple, with their Apple cases, they started shipping their Apple cases to customers without the speaker volume and the microphone. Unfortunately, that's what's happening right now. I've got third party cases that don't have that problems. So, Apple, step up your game. But yeah, pretty nice phone. I'm going to turn it on here. We're going to do a quality check here real quick. Since I have both phones in front of me. I got an iPhone. This is the iPhone 12. And this is going to be the iPhone 11 Max Pro. So we're going to do a quality. We're going to do a microscope test here. If I get my microscope to pop up. Which I don't think it's going to. So unfortunately I can't get the microscope to work for some reason. You can see the sensor ID is communicating right there, trying to flash. I had to do face unlock on this one. So I don't know if you can see a quality difference between these two. Now how does that pop up just out of nowhere? Oh, alright, so I guess they moved the Siri button to the volume up or something. That's weird. Or no, I'm pushing the power button, that's what it is. So you can see it's a little bit more clear. I'll do the other camera. Size comparisons. A lot smaller. A little bit skinnier, obviously. But I kind of do like the size. You got one hand operation here still. Bam, 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 bam. With the 11 Max Pro, you don't. You kind of gotta go up a little bit and come here. So with the difference of, you know, you could reach over here, you can't really reach. It's struggling, and you had to lift the phone up a little bit. Depends on what your size of your fingers are, but kind of want to say Apple kind of nailed this a little bit. Perfect size. Bam, bam. Still be able to operate it without a case. But if you add a case on this thing, probably add a little bit more thickness to it, just a tad. But that sensor right there, that's going to be interesting to test out too. With the, I don't know what it's called, LiDAR or something like that, but pretty sexy, if you ask me. Just even the bezel right there. So there goes the angle of both phones, the display. The cameras are the sensor, the light sensor, everything's placed the same way, but they just have that little sensor. They removed the noise cancellation speaker up here. So I hope you guys liked the video of the unboxing of the iPhone 12 Pro. If you guys get a chance, give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button. And as always, thanks for watching.